How to get dark mode on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get dark mode on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to get dark mode on TikTok, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you want to simply tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you have done that, what you need to do is just tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side and then just go to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, simply navigate to the option known as display and then make sure to tap on it. Once you tap the display option, you can see light and you can see dark. Otherwise, you can choose to use the device settings, which in this case I'll just select dark mode here, and as I select dark mode, you'll be able to see that I have successfully switched to dark mode. This way you can get dark mode on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.